Each year, more than 15,000 Nepali women were diagnosed with breast cancer भनेर यो data छ हैन. So this data is from kccrc.org हैन. Okay, so this is okay. Yeah, so cancer hospital. So एक हिसाबले भन्नुपर्दाखेरि हैन यहाँ के रहेछ त? यहाँको बारेमा के are you in touch with anybody here? Do you know anything about how things are here?
I am. I know a little bit about treatment मैले यहाँ गरे होइन, so I don't know much, but the cancer treatment, the medical teams are improving and they're very good medical teams around होइन. Cancer treatment गर्ने hospitals पनि राम्रो छ अहिले. But I think the support from the government and the whole general sort of awareness is lacking के अझै. So I think this whole wanting to distance people, generally people like मान्छेलाई कस्तो लाग्छ भने क्यान्सर हो भनिसकेपछि ए म त्यो I don't want to listen to that, you know, it's too emotional, too दिक्क लाग्ने खालको हुन्छ नि, so they try to distance themselves from that. So त्यो नगरेर if we can sort of raise awareness and talk about this, talk about breast cancer. This is Pink October. October is the breast cancer awareness month, होइन. So if we can talk about it, we can talk to kids, we can talk to our family members about something like this, I think will eventually help. I started talking about it, होइन, and मेरो एउटा एकजना so my close cousins and friends were like, do you mind if we share your story with others भनेर भन्यो, and I was like, please do. And one of my cousins shared a story with her friend, and her friend went and checked herself and she found a lump. And she went to see a doctor. It was not cancerous, but it was it could have, so she now needs to monitor very regularly, and just so it doesn't become cancerous. तर त्यो भयो होइन. So that was what, you know, I that is what I'm aiming to do here, you know, and I want people to be aware. I want people to talk about it. I want people to be body positive. I want them to be comfortable in their own skin so they can look at their own skin, feel it, see how it's different. So if there is something that's worrying to them, they can go and see a doctor. होइन. सो त्यो गर्न चाहिँ जरुरी छ के. अनि हाम्रो कल्चरमा त झन् अझ स्तनको बारेमा कुरा हुँदैन, you know, there are so many things that we think is taboo to talk about, and so it makes it uncomfortable for someone who's going through pain or some symptoms as well to approach someone else के. त्यो भएको भावनाले चाहिँ I think it's very important to sort of break that barrier, that cultural taboo.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला. अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. This program is brought to you by Vias Studios.